all the things in one day. Working, hanging out, want to hang out with the daughter soon, kick it with the guys for a bit, chill, vlog, edit.
Oh yes. It is finally here. Yes, yes, yes. Just creepily waiting on the stairs. Heard the truck move. So, I think it should be here. They didn't ring the doorbell. Let's see. Yeah, they're gone, so. Oh my god, yes. Woo, that's big. I can't even open the door. And since they didn't ring the doorbell, there. Now we got the whole experience. Alright guys, I just set it in the garage right now. I'm gonna close this door so no intruders get in. And lock it, good, okay. Gonna go upstairs, get a knife. Actually, no we're not, because I have a knife in my car. We're gonna get shoes. I need my keys to open my car to get the knife. And then we will take a look at it. What's up? Anyway, we got the keys and we're ready to go check it out. Thing's taller than my fridge. There's a slight delay in plans. I had to pick up my sister from school, but we are back now. We got the car parked right there. And I'm gonna try to use these ramps. I've never used them before, but we got them from my uncle. So we're gonna try to get the car on the ramps, open the splitter, and check it out. Ooh, yes. Oh man, this thing looks so good. Got a little catalog. We got it from American Authority. They are awesome. They ship really quick. It's in the US. Free shipping to all 48 ground US states. Oh my god. I love it. It looks so mean. It's really light. Alright, so here it is. The splitter, front splitter. It's got little winglets on the side. That's really cool. It's unpainted, I guess. It looks not bad at all. It's like a matte black. So I'm gonna put it on. I might have my friend wrap it gloss black or carbon fiber eventually, but you can't just wait that long for something and then not see how it looks on the car. So we're gonna put the ramps on the driveway and drive it up. First time ever, so wish me luck. Yeah, I'm just glad it's not like a blue primer finish or anything, because this actually does match the car very well. It's the same color pretty much as the plastic on the grill, so I don't think it'll look bad until we don't, or for the time it's not wrapped. Wish me luck. Okay, so these little air deflectors right there are actually catching the ramp before it can hit the tire, and it kind of threw it out. So we're just going to jack it up. So we got her all jacked up. This is something I actually know how to do, so we did that. And then underneath the car, not sure what sizes I'm gonna need, but these bolts should come out, and then they go right back in. It uses the OEM bolts, and then we just put the splitter on real easy and we'll be done. I took all the bolts out of the front lip of the car, but the splitter doesn't fit on here unless you take off these air deflectors, and they're not that easy to get off. So if anyone's trying to install this, you do have to take out the bolts that are in here as well. Got one more on this side, and then we gotta finish that side. Alright, so it's not bolted in yet. I'm just holding it on with 3 bolts loosely, but it looks so good. Little winglets on the side. Looks really mean. Yeah, this gap will be closed right there. So yeah, I'll show you guys once it's all complete. Alright, so we got the splitter completely on. Looks really aggressive, I love it. It's from American Authority. We already got a gas cap by them. I recommend them highly. But yeah, it gives the car a whole new, more aggressive look. I recommend it. So thank you guys again for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think the splitter looks amazing. Again, it's from AmericanAuthority.com. They have free shipping to the 48 US states. And they have really good prices for everything. So subscribe if you haven't to see more with the Camaro and some other things. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.